So can you use a VPN while playing Mobile Legends? Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will simply discuss whether or not it is possible for us to use a VPN while we are playing Mobile Legends. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, the answer is actually yes, because you can definitely use a VPN while playing Mobile Legends. Using a VPN can help improve your online game experience by reducing latency and lag, and may also help to protect your privacy and security. However, it's important to choose a high quality VPN service that offers fast and reliable connections, as well as strong encryption to keep your data and online activity secure. Also keep in mind that some game developers and servers may have rules or policies against using VPNs, so it's a good idea to check the game's terms of service before using a VPN while playing Roblox or Mobile Legends or any of the other online games. Now, Mobile Legends by default is actually only going to limit a specific server, so when you're playing in groups, it's only going to have your players based on that region. If you want to get past that, you have to use a VPN, and the answer is totally yes, you can definitely use a VPN. So hope this video helped you clear your confusion as to whether or not you can use a VPN while playing Mobile Legends. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.